I'm really excited today. We just finished up our Jimboney Malt Mill and Auger System. This is something we've been wanting to do for a long time. We used to have to mill our grain like 10 pounds at a time on our old homemade mill. So this is a huge step up. So I'll give you a quick introduction of what we got here. So when we buy this all comes together as one nice built cart here. The Auger System is separate. So if we look under here, this is the auger attachment. They have it set up here with a nice motor. It's a belt feed. And then we installed this pipe and ran the auger through it. Okay, so putting this into the auger, you just run it through here. Make sure that this nut is loose. Then we're going to spin it until it bottoms out. Right there. And then we're going to tighten this nut. Now we're going to take this, slide it up into place. So this pipe is coming up here. Now this is the auger motor. We actually just hung it up here with some chain. Worked out really nice. Had our electrician come in, wired in so it's in with a switch. And all you got to do is kick the switch on and it's going to start delivering the grain into our hopper. So then in turn, this hopper has another auger. And this auger delivers it to our mash tun. So we just dump a full bag in here. You hit the switch, you hit the auger, and it mills directly in here. We fill up this hopper. This holds about 5 barrels worth of grain. We can get about 6 bags in here. And then when this is full, on our 10-barrel brew days, then we basically preload this with another bag. It's usually about 10 to 12 bags of grain. So this can already be loaded with a bag of grain. And as soon as we kick the auger on, then you kick this on and basically somebody just comes up, dumps a bag in. And if you're by yourself, it's easy to do because you can just dump a bag in, go in there, check on the mash. Every once in a while, come back here and dump another bag in. Because you have such a large buffer with our giant hopper here.